At the 12th century Jagannath temple in Puri, concerns are mounting as the inventory of sacred ornaments in Ratna Bhandar continues. Senior Servitor Jagannath Swami Mahapatra has strongly emphasized the urgent need to create dedicated ornament sets for Lord Jagannath and his siblings. Referring to past controversies, including the issue of missing keys and damaged ornaments, he described the situation as deeply troubling. He noted that during major rituals and festivals, especially the Rath Yatra, the deities should never be adorned with worn out or incomplete jewelry. He stressed that preparing 3 to 4 complete ornament sets would ensure continuity in rituals even if one set is damaged. Mahapatra also questioned the purpose of vast valuables stored in the temple if they are not properly maintained or utilized for the deities. With millions of devotees visiting and watching rituals worldwide, the call for better management, preservation, and dignified adornment of the Holy Trinity is now gaining significant attention.
संपूर्ण सत्य कथा यहाँ यही कथा भी मुझे 100 थर कहीदेवी चाबी हजिबा जगन्नाथ महाप्रभु जो किरीटी कथा कहले फली पड़ जाए ताकू भंगा किरीटी पिंधिकी महाप्रभु बसी था रथ उपर यहाँ दुखदायक घटना समस्ते निंदा करती कौन उपाय नहीं किसी क्या कही नहीं चाबी हजिला चाबी गोटे भितर तर्क चला कि झमेला इे सियाड़े पुणी से जो चाबी की चाबी मिलला।